Hannah. Today is January 30th.
I have a joke for you.
What is it?
What did 20 do when it was hungry?
I don't know.
28.
That's funny.
5th graders, your yearbook baby pictures are due today. Make sure to ask your parent or guardian to send it to Miss Carter so she can put them in the yearbook.
Bye, MC Hats.
Bye.
Don't you ever wonder how your old teachers are doing from the primary school? It's time for Blast from the Past!
Welcome to a special interview with
Mrs. McCarver, your music teacher from Oconee County Primary School.
First question, what do you like about your job?
Oh, I like everything about my job. I love that every day I get to wake up, come to work, and just do really fun music lessons with my kindergartners, 1st graders, and 2nd graders. It is so joyful to just be in here playing instruments and singing and doing games.
Next question, what's your favorite lesson that you do?
It is very, very hard for me to pick a favorite lesson. So right now, 2nd grade is preparing for their huge musical at the Civic Center like all of you got to do. Theirs is called Lemonade. And when we do our big musicals, I like to do your brain breaks with a game called Meter Tag, where you count the meter like 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can only move on 1. So that's been super fun to do.
Last question, why did you become a teacher?
Well, I became a teacher because one of my safe spaces in middle school and high school was band. And my middle school band director, Mr. Agan, made a huge impact on my life. And so I wanted to be that kind of teacher for kids when they were growing up. And I wanted to start from the beginning in kindergarten, 1st and 2nd.
Thank you for this interview.
You're welcome.
To feel right, you can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, 'cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know my love.
New books. New books. We have new books. New books.
What's up? My name's Kason.
And I'm Brady. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new books at our OCES library. Circle! This one looks so good. Look at that.
Let's keep it going. So we have the Mighty Robot series, brand new. They have never been in this library. They're by Dave Pilkey, so the same author of Dogman. So if you like Dogman, this is the books for you.
Next up we have the Wings of Fire. These ones are really cool. Add them up to the graphic novel section.
Next, we have a new Impossible Creatures book, The Poison King. It's book 2.
This one's for you, Caleb. We know you like the Impossible Creatures ones. And then Cat Kong. Also by Dave Pilkey.
We also have a new Snake book, if y'all want to check it out.
Copperheads, yeah. And then the Warriors, 2 new Warriors books.
And 2 I Survived graphic novels. I Survived the Attack of D-Day of 1944 and the Great Molasses Flood of 1919.
And then next up we have the Sloths, part of the Amazing Animals series.
And then if y'all like explorations, we have climbing Mount Everest.
If you ever have seen the movie Homeward Bound, this is the book for you. Let's see what else we've got coming new in the library.
I'm Perian. And I'm Haley. Today we're going to be opening this big box. This big box of new books. So let's go ahead and start with this cornbread and poppy. These are new to the library. There's some good cornbread and poppy. Let's look inside them. These look so good, y'all. Oh my gosh, I love them. Now we have some new Babysitters Clubs. There's 2 of each copy. I'm going to start out with, we have Mallory and the Trouble with the Twins. And we have Christy and the Walking Disaster. And then we have Stacy's Mistake. This is a classic. Frog and Toad, 4 classic stories in one book. And they're classic stories of friendship. And then we have a new Ruby Bridges biography. It's really easy to do research on Ruby Bridges when you have a table of contents. Here's another Cornbread and Poppy at the Carnival. These are really easy books if you're looking for an easier book to read. They're not that long and there's only a few words on each page.